Hi there, welcome to Beginning Word Processing. I'm Nancy Backlund, I'm your instructor in the course. Just want to introduce myself, say hello, and give you a little bit of an overview of the course as you get started this week. First off, this class, even if you're an experienced word processing user, you're going to get something from it, believe me. There's lots of tools or shortcuts that even I learned the first time when I taught this class, and now with new versions, I'm continuing to learn. So we are using a new version of 2019 this term, which meant that we had to buy new textbooks. I know there's been some issues with that. Hopefully we'll get that resolved quickly and everyone can get started easily. To get started though, you do want to jump down to the welcome button below this video, click on the button, read the first page in the module by clicking on it, and then move sequentially through the module using the next button. At the end of the module, there's a few assignments there. You want to complete those because by doing so, your week 1 module will open. Now, it's going to seem a little overwhelming the first week. Don't let that stop you. You have access to the ebook as well as hopefully your hardbound copy and your Cirrus activity or access code. All those are tools to help you learn what you need to know to be a better word processing user. So with that in mind, there may be some issues with technology. So Cirrus is a cloud-based system. It's going to simulate Microsoft Word in a lot of cases. And so sometimes if your internet is slow, it'll seem like it hasn't processed. If nothing else, back out of it and come back in again. I found that to be very, very effective for me because I've had a few times where it just kind of seems like it's frozen. There will be an opportunity though for you to work out of those workbooks that came with your textbook, and that's where you'll be using the actual live version of Microsoft Word to show what you learned within the simulated version. So as we get started here, give me your questions through email. There is a link to the inbox tool there on your left. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And there's a virtual office icon, or excuse me, link, I guess, in the navigation pane of this class, and that will direct you into a Zoom with me during my office hours on Mondays and Thursdays. You can even use it when I'm not in my office hour, and if I'm online and have open email, I will get a message that you're waiting for me and I will join you. So I wish you great success this term, and let me know if you're struggling or something's not working right. This is a new venture for us with the new version of the software. So we want to make sure that it's productive and it's working well. So I hope that things go smoothly. Let me know either way. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great semester.